again, I'm Madison, and this is Emma Cookie Show. Woo! Today we're gonna make Iced Pink Brownies. Easy recipe with 4 ingredients. So preheat the oven to 350. It's already done. I heard the beeping sound that wakes me up. We're using cherry chip cake mix, and you can pick any cake mix. Now we add all the ingredients into the bowl, and next one roll up. Ooh, you guys, take a look. It'll be so good. It's all mixed up now, and I'm put it in a tray. It'll be so good, hey guys. Oh, cherry chip is good for a pink birthday. I add food coloring to make the best pink brownies. I'm gonna swirl around like this. So we're gonna put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Now we wait. It smells so good, you guys. Now we're making pink icing on top of pink brownies. We got easy recipe, and we got 3 ingredients: powdered sugar, milk, and food coloring. Look at that pink frosting. Now they're done. Now I'm gonna put the pink icing on top of the pink brownies. A bit more, right? We don't want to waste it. Here you have it, pink brownies. Now when I cut the brownies, we can taste them. These are my pink birthday 4 pink brownies. It smells delicious, and I can't wait to try it. Woo! So good. That's all Emma Eats Cooking Show, and thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my YouTube page, Emma Eats Cooking Show, and also you can get my cookbook, ventureenterprises.square.site. I'm going to finish eating it, and thank you for watching. See you later. Woo!